In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ClickUp syncing issues. If your tasks aren't updating or comments don't show up across devices, follow along and we'll get your workspace syncing smoothly again. Start by confirming you're on a stable internet connection. ClickUp syncs in real time, so a weak or spotty signal is the most common cause of delays. If you're on Wi-Fi, move closer to your router, switch to a more reliable network if you can, and pause heavy downloads or streaming while you work. And refresh ClickUp to trigger a resync. In your browser, reload the page or press Ctrl+R. In the desktop app, quit it fully and reopen. This forces ClickUp to reconnect and pull the latest data. If you still see stale data, sign out and sign back in from settings. This resets account level sessions that can occasionally block updates and is a quick way to clear up odd syncing behavior. Now clear your cache. In a browser, clear cached files and cookies. In the ClickUp app, open settings and choose clear cache. Old or corrupted cache is a frequent reason syncing appears stuck, and clearing it gives ClickUp a clean slate to rebuild from. Make sure you're on the latest version of ClickUp. Update the desktop or mobile app, and if you use a browser, access ClickUp through the official website. To make this easy, I've placed the official download page and the website link right at the top of the video description, so you can update or sign in with confidence from the correct source. If you're signed in on multiple devices, small delays are normal. Give it a few seconds, then refresh on each device so changes have time to settle and appear everywhere. Try to avoid editing the same task on different devices at the exact same moment. When using a browser, temporarily disable extensions and reload ClickUp. Ad blockers, privacy tools, or productivity extensions can interrupt the requests ClickUp needs to sync, so turning them off briefly is a useful test. If syncing still doesn't improve, reinstall the app on desktop or mobile. A fresh install resets local files and often clears stubborn sync problems that survive other fixes. And if you're still stuck, contact ClickUp support. Share your device, operating system, or browser app version, what you've tried so far, and any error messages you see. Those details help them pinpoint the issue faster. That's it. By checking your connection, refreshing, logging out and back in, clearing cache, updating, reviewing device conflicts, disabling extensions, and reinstalling if needed, you can solve most ClickUp syncing issues. Thanks for watching.